quit screwing around and start!
Alright, back when we started Yu-Gi Teaming, this is the first dueling series we did. We did it, got a guest upload because of one of our deck profiles, and so after a while, we updated our decks, got new cards in them, and so this is back to original lineup versus Mecha and Playing Beasts. So me and the better man are gonna do this.
Do it up.
Got my pants matching my deck, and my shirt, my glasses, watch, stuff like that, and his shirt is matching his deck. Obviously, this was planned. Matt over there.
Low roll.
All right.
No, high roll. High roll.
High.
Wow.
The deck loves me. Guess who's taking first? I am. Pinky?
Yeah. Bear pop.
Pinky Bear Pop himself. Yes. Golden. Rapid effect.
Yeah. Your standby phase or my standby phase?
Mine.
Yep.
And we're gonna set 2 and end there. Go. Ignore some of the sounds that'll happen out there because people are
Discard
dumb.
to special effect.
Probably can't even hear it.
3.
Camera's pretty good.
25.
Yep, I'll do it.
That fortress.
Set go.
End phase. Misty middle. My turn. Draw. Rabbit effect.
Okay.
Factory search.
What's he offering?
I don't know. He just said he just wants to drink this.
We have a Draco Cypher trade.
Leo, 2 out of 3.
2 out of 5. Actually, 3 out of 5, actually.
Well,
Whoa.
I just saw him.
Rabbit.
Your turn.
Normal summon rabbit.
Yeah.
Effective shark. Special.
Okay.
Shark to level 3.
Okay.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Alucard effect.
Yep.
Detached shark. Is that good?
Yeah.
Monster.
Compliments.
On.
Alucard.
Alright. I still get my effect. So.
What? It has to be on the field to resolve.
No. The card has to be face down to resolve.
Yeah.
No. Wouldn't Alucard not resolve?
Nope.
Why?
Alucard still resolves.
Why wouldn't it?
His
Because
effect
it's
only
off the
negates.
field.
No, his effect only gets negated if you chain the card because the card's face up now. If you have like a face down.
But if
Boo.
he does
That means I would need to freaking compulse it earlier. I didn't know that. Bad plays. Boring. Oh, okay.
well, at least you never have.
Name phase 2.
Because I use that a lot in burning this.
Dark hole. That's just horrible.
And then set 1, go.
Draw. Set 1, go.
Rabbit effect.
Yeah.
It's gonna hurt you.
Yeah, I know. I just gave away a win.
Rat. Normal summon rat. Is that good?
Yeah.
Summon a rabbit. I'm gonna check my extra deck. So I Z-summon. Alucard.
Yep.
Alucard effect, detach. That one. Alright, battle phase, 18?
Yep.
Go.
End phase.
Rabbit comes back. Alucard, detach target.
Chain.
You have 0 cards in hand, correct?
Yep.
Rabbit effect for factory.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess I will. Shark.
Okay.
Tanky.
Okay.
Rabbit. Normal summon rabbit.
Yeah.
Effect shark. Special summon shark. Attack 1, attack 2, attack 3. Go.
Summon. Effect.
Change to summon though. Book of Moon. Feather Wolf.
Yeah. Go.
End phase. Wind up rabbit effect. Factory search.
Factory's gonna. Of course it is. Pokemon doesn't stay on the field.
Yeah. Noble.
Find a rabbit still. The most hated card.
Draw for turn. Stand by phase 2 back. I'm blowing out speaker. What do I even have in here? Normal summon. Xyz 2. Invoker. Detach rat. Special summon from deck. Warrior. Warrior effect. Make himself level 5. Factory triggers. Get rat. Shark to 5.
Yeah.
Shark Fortress, detach warrior, target self. He can attack twice this turn. Battle phase. Alucard attack token. Rabbit attack token. Invoker attacks monster. 24.
Yeah. Not game though.
24. Main phase 2. Set 1. Go.
But that is.
Alright, as always, we're going to do this a 3 video series part. So that was the end of part 1. In Windup's favor, we're going to go game 2. And yeah,